Welcome all of you. We start our next session of alphabet. Let's start from C. There are many styles of C. First, we have to written simple one, and then start the next one. Next one is also like that, but this is little different. Other one is just like first one, but this you will written in different time in different place. The next one is also like that, but it is little different. So you have to use or focus on board and also the narrow part of the writing. So this one is also another style. This is so simple, but you have only to practice. Another one is also like first one, but little different. You have to write like this, broad and narrow, and the end it's make 2 points. And other one is also like that, but this time we have to make a little different. So this one is also a simple type, and one is this which make hurt.